Here we are, we're at the cruise port. Canada Place. This is a Holland America ship, and I believe we are straight down there. They told us keep on just heading down the port. So it's busy, but it's a beautiful day to set sail. So our first stop was the Windjammer. We are here to pick out. Say hi, Mike. Beautiful views. We love how the Windjammer has outside seating. As you can see, it's still very, very quiet. It's just after 1. They said our rooms are ready, so we're gonna head down there and do a room tour for you. All right, here's our room. We're in 3028. We have an ocean view stateroom. There's our couch, our queen bed, our window. I'm gonna check out that view in a second. We have our television. And then here is our desk area. Table area. It's really nice. They have some like nice little coffee kettle and that waiting here for us. Our luggage, though it said that it was gonna be delivered after 3, was already here. Let's see. There's some hooks, which is perfect for Alaska for our jackets, because I heard they might get wet. And, nice. Okay, so this is our closet area. Let me just put this here. This is a lot of storage. Nice. Okay, let's look at this window here. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're really close to the water. This is gonna be really cool to wake up to this view. So we did roll up and we paid an extra $70 for our room. So to end our first night on board, we went to the welcome show, which is something we always do on Royal Caribbean to get to see the different entertainment they're going to have on board. Some of the other stuff we got up to, we did an art scavenger hunt and won this beautiful print. On day 2, we also did a royal trivia where they were talking about upcoming itineraries, and we won a bottle of champagne. Something else was this great search for nations started. So this is where you get cruise signs from all different places around the world. Spoiler, we definitely didn't win, but it was just amazing. And they also had RCMP on board doing a presentation daily. So that was really great. The show on the second night was amazing, with an orchestra playing music from movies like Star Wars and Indiana Jones and hits. It was really great. Wanted to give you a little bit of a clip, so I'm talking over it, not to have any copyright. Thanks for watching, and more to come next time.